Hello YouTube, welcome to another video. It is not a Minecraft video, so I'm sorry, but the question today is, can you manually write G-code for a 3D print? Now, this would be pretty stupid and very impractical because all you would be seeing is this, but I'm trying it. If you want to see results, skip to whatever time is on the screen. If not, and you want to see my cat, then please watch the whole thing. Right now I wasn't doing much. I was just fixing up a little house-like shape with a square and then a triangle for a roof. Now I was working on a new shape, a little square with a square inside of it, and I was also asking ChatGPT something. Let's be real, everybody uses AI to do their work these days. Also, you may have seen me open up my model in Ultimate Recruiter, which is what I'm doing right now. And you may think I'm cheating, but I tell you, it is very hard to do it without just visualizing it. You can't edit any of the G-code. Yeah, I know that line. I have some stuff on here. I didn't take it off. Kind of hard to see. Oh, right. Oh shoot! I forgot to eject it. Whatever. It's probably fine. I only had, and it's all there we go. There you go. These wood. Is that a magnet? I think it is. Right there. Oh. First line, the second line should go very fast. It should come back. Yup. It's a little house. I didn't actually plan it to be a house until I realized that a triangle on top of a square looks like a house. Wait. Okay. Look at that. I thought it would be a lot faster, but no. And look at that. It didn't go in order. Clearly I messed something up. It works, sort of. I think, well, mostly, it's just, I'm putting out way too much plastic. I'm putting out double the amount of plastic than here. Look at how fast that wheel's spinning. This camera quality is so bad, you probably can't see it. That's the one right there. It's done. Yay. Oh, I also made it go up at different speeds. It did not go up at different speeds. It's done. Oh gosh, this is horrible quality. I mean, this one is fine. This thing is This thing is fine, but then this was putting out double the amount of plastic. And so, if you notice, it's not supposed to be connected. It's not, oh gosh, I don't have anywhere to put this. The bottom right, that little line, not supposed to be there, but there's so much plastic. Well, it is possible that was caused not because of there being so much plastic, but because the extruder was not reset after doing the outer square and then going into the inner square. You can sort of manually write gcode, but it'd be stupid to do so. Don't know why you'd want to do it, but it's possible. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe, please like the video, and please watch more videos. And thank you for watching.